Let's take a look at editing the menu in OU Campus. The menu, also called the left nav, is just a list of links that appears to the side of your page. Whenever you want to make an edit, the first thing you'll do is go and log into your page. And once you're in, you're going to select sidenav.inc. The INC just stands for include. From there, you'll check out the page and go into edit mode. You'll notice the side nav is just a bulleted list of links. All the styling is done in the browser itself, so you don't have to worry about that. Let's say we wanted to edit one of these links that's currently on the page. Maybe we want Channing's page to read Heather's page. We'll just go in, use our delete key, and sometimes when you change the text, you'll notice that the link disappears. If we just go ahead and select it and go back up to our link icon, we can have it go to whatever page we'd like. If you see numbers here instead of the URL, don't be alarmed. That's just OU Campus trying to keep track of the links. You'll see exactly where it's going below. From there we hit insert, and now we've got a edited link on the page. We can also add a new one if we need to, and that's just a matter of hitting the enter key to create a new line, typing what we want our link to be called, and then selecting and linking the text. And we have the same thing. It's important that each item in your sidebar is a link to a live page. This isn't the area to add contact info or pages that are coming soon. Once we've made our changes, we can save and publish the menu. On this one, we don't have to do view in the new window. We can just reload the test page. And you'll see we've got our edited link and our new link. Take a look at the link under This is New. You'll notice that the test page formatting is not like the rest on the menu. Something went wrong. So let's go back in, check the menu out, edit mode, and you'll notice test page isn't linked. This is what we mean when we say you want to make sure that every item in your menu goes to an actual web page. The formatting looks for text that's linked, and that's how it knows to do the bold facing and the mouse over. If there's not a link, it doesn't know what to do with it. So we're going to go ahead and we'll just link this to, we'll go ahead and link it to the training page. And now if we save and publish, test page is a link just like the others. But also notice our drop down menu doesn't appear to be working right. We've got the main drop down menu item, but the sub items aren't hiding. Let's go back into OU Campus, edit the page again. Your menu is looks for very specific things. The coding has to be right or it throws off the entire thing. In this case, there's probably some bad code that's interfering with the way the drop-down menu works. The easiest way to find this is to use the HTML view. I know this scares a lot of people, but in this case it'll be very easy. So we'll look at the HTML source, and you'll notice there's an extra set of tags in here that aren't normally used. Your menu is almost always going to start with just an LI, a list item. So if we go in and we remove this UL and the one below it, we'll have a clean menu that we can start with. So we'll go ahead and do update, save, and publish again. But now we have a new problem. Notice the drop down isn't collapsing. It's actually going to a new page. So obviously something is still broken on the page. So once again, we'll go back into OU Campus. Your drop-down menu item, the very first one, should always just link to a pound sign, or some people will say a hashtag. That's what lets the browser know that it is a menu, and it knows to start displaying these sub items differently. So let's see where this page is linking to. Here we see it's actually linking back to the GRU homepage. So the browser doesn't know, oh, is this a link or is it a drop down? So let's replace that with a hashtag, and then we'll update. And now when the web browser gets to the menu, it's going to say, oh, this is a hashtag. There are obviously some items below it that need to be folded out. We'll go ahead and save. Publish yet again. And refresh our page. Now we have a functioning drop down with links that actually go places. For more information and other training resources, visit gru.edu/ocm/web.